Hello everyone. Today we will see heat map in Excel. So let's start. So what is heat map? A heat map is a data visualization technique that uses color to represent the values of data in a matrix. The intensity or hue of the color indicates the magnitude of the value. Heat maps are particularly useful for identifying patterns, correlations, and anomalies in large datasets at a glance. So let's take this sample dataset uh, to apply heat map. We know that if we go insert menu, you will see lots of charts here. Okay, if I go recommended charts and go all charts, then you will never find heat map here. You will find map but not heat map. Okay, we can do the work of heat map through conditional formatting. For that you have to go to home menu and from conditional formatting, color scales, and now you can select anyone. We are selecting this first one. So here this is the distribution of the data. Here we can see the maximum data here is 400. So the more the data, it will go towards green, and if the number decreases from this 400, it appears yellow, and the lowest number are considered in red. But there is another way through which you can customize this, or you can understand the data. You can go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and here select this one. You can double click on this, or you can click on this edit rule, then this box will appear. Here you can see we have applied a three color scale. That means red, yellow, and green. The lowest value or the minimum value is denoted as red, the midpoint is yellow, and the highest value, the maximum values, are appear in green. Click OK. So apply OK. We can see the more the value, it will go towards green, it will be greener. The less the value, it will go from greener to yellow and yellow to red. So this is how we can easily understand the distribution. So this is the concept of heat map. Now if we take a large data set, for example this one, here we can see year from 2010 to 2020 and January to December, uh, month-wise sales figures in millions from 2010 to 2020. Let's copy this and paste it right here. Now if we select the entire value and from home menu, conditional formatting, color scales, let's select this one, we will get the data distribution based on the values. The more the value, it will turn into green. The value will decrease from maximum to minimum, in the middle it will turn into yellow, and the lowest value will appear in red. You can see the same thing. So this is how we can apply heat map in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.